Hey, I'm Grace. Welcome to my channel where it's all about dolls, it's all about Barbie. It's Everyday Barbie. So I have done quite a few Barbie doll makeovers now, and if I look back through them, I can definitely see my skills have improved, which leaves me a little upset with the state of my mini-me. I feel like as I've gotten better at doing makeovers, my mini-me has been left behind. I mean, look at her hair. It looks like a kindergartner cut it. What was I doing? Her nails are still blue. Her eyes were never repainted. It's time that she gets a little bit of attention, don't you think? We gotta fix this. Can I uncut Barbie hair? No. But can I fix poofy hair? I can try. Let me show you what I have in mind. So normally I would just dunk my doll's head right into the boiling hot water, but lately I've liked pouring it over her head instead to get it to lay nice and flat. Here she is after her boil wash. It's looking better. It's still wet, so I want to make sure that it stays. I'm going to use some Super Hold styling gel. Gonna clean up the stragglies. If I am being completely honest, I'm not pleased with the way I cut my mini-me's hair. If I could do it over again, I would do things a lot differently. Yeah, I decided to use a tiny hairbrush. I think we are looking a lot better now. Her hair is still drying. I do need to fix up her face, however. I feel like I didn't really do a whole lot with it. I just left the eyes the color they were, which is pretty accurate, but I feel like I could make them look a little more realistic. So we're gonna work on that and paint her nails purple, I think. So I do not have this color of blue eyes. I have dark blue eyes, but they aren't Crayola blue. It's like dark blue. I think for my mini-me's first makeover, I was a little nervous to paint eyes, so I didn't really do it because, well, I tried it before and they hadn't come out great, but I really just feel like her eyes, her being a Skipper doll, they look a little more cartoonish, so I think this was the perfect fix. So obviously I did some of the painting off camera, but this is what I came up with. I hope it's not worse than before. I feel like I got a little carried away with how detailed I made them. Like, I like them. I tried to make her eyes like a little bit smaller by putting some black up above it. I think it worked. What do you guys think? Also, don't mind that my hand is literally covered in paint. That's just where I like to wipe off my paintbrush. Let's see how they turn out. While my eyeballs are drying, let's paint my nails with purple. So I'm just gonna scrub these off with a damp towel. If you keep hearing creaking in the background, it's my creaky chair. Not damp enough? Oh, that dripped on my brand new board. Okay, it's coming off, it's just being difficult. Of course, we're painting her nails purple, my favorite color. It's my favorite color to paint my nails as well. I really actually hate having to paint my nails, but I keep them painted for videos, so we need to add this to my mini-me. Why does my hair still look like I'm from the 90s? Stay down. While we're at it, let's do the toenails. Isn't this stand so ugly? I love it. I wanted to do this because I usually have my toenails painted, but after I tried it, I realized, why are these so big? Why is that slightly terrifying? Yeah, okay. No thanks. That's not a look. Time for a clear coat. You know what? I'm tired of you hairs. Away with you. Go away. Oh, ruining my life. We are coming together. I can't think of any other details I would like to add to my face. Okay, that was a little weird that I was referring to the doll as myself. Decided to add some, details for the eyebrows. I don't know, because they're like not the same color as the hair. All right, I don't know, guys. Can you please let me know if that works? I'm not used to seeing my eyebrows that defined. Does it work? Do I need to take it off? All right, guys, I think she's starting to look a little more human now. I feel like the last touch would be to give her a new outfit. I think I'm gonna sew a new outfit because I don't have any clothes that I like at the moment, so I want to see what I can come up with. I kind of love how the sun's coming in here instead of those harsh bright lights, so I feel like this feels more fall-y. I'm gonna leave it like this. So I've been spending all day making a new outfit for my mini-me doll. I'm feeling very indecisive today, and I don't know whether I love it or hate it. So let me show you what I made. I kind of wanted to replicate one of my favorite outfits right now. So I started out by making some green joggers. They didn't come out looking like mine, I guess, but they didn't come out great. They're slightly too short. I don't know what to think of them, but that was the first thing that I made. So I kind of just wanted to make her an oversized black bomber jacket. This is how it turned out. And I don't know if I literally hate it. And I feel like it does look better once it's on her, but then again, maybe not. And then lastly, I just made her a brown tank top, which I also made in beige, but I like the brown better. So let me show you the whole outfit to put on. All right, so here she is. I picked my custom painted high tops, and pants have working pockets, which took me a long time, but it's very fallish. I really do love the oversized look. I like oversized stuff. The one thing I hate is like the pants are too short. Like, I hate pants that are too short. I don't know why they came out like that. I'm not a professional sewer, so that's probably why. It finally stopped raining, and I think some fall pictures would look very nice with this outfit. I do hope you enjoyed seeing me fix up my mini-me. I enjoyed it. I had fun fixing her up finally. I'd been really sad lately because she had been looking really rough, so I was hoping it was possible, but I'm feeling a lot better about her. If you enjoyed this video and you have not subscribed yet, I'd appreciate it so much if you would. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!